Heading: Sewage Treatment Plant, STP. First point: a sewage treatment plant, STP, is a facility used to treat domestic and industrial wastewater before it is discharged into the environment. Second point: it removes physical, chemical, and biological impurities from sewage. Third point: the treated water can be safely discharged or reused for various purposes. Heading: Objectives of Wastewater Treatment Plant. Side heading 1: Removal of pollutants. First point: to remove suspended solids, organic matter, harmful chemicals, and disease-causing microorganisms from wastewater. Side heading 2: Protection of water bodies. First point: to prevent pollution of rivers, lakes, ponds, and groundwater. Second point: to maintain the quality of natural water resources. Side heading 3: Public health protection. First point: to reduce the spread of waterborne diseases. Second point: to protect human health by treating sewage before discharge. Side heading 4: Water reuse. First point: to make treated wastewater suitable for irrigation, gardening, industries, and other non-drinking purposes. Side heading 5: Environmental protection. First point: to reduce environmental pollution and support sustainable development. Heading: Importance of sewage treatment plant. Side heading 1: Pollution control. First point: prevents untreated sewage from entering natural water bodies. Side heading 2: Conservation of water resources. First point: enables reuse of treated wastewater and reduces demand for fresh water. Side heading 3: Protection of aquatic life. First point: maintains water quality and protects fish and other aquatic organisms. Side heading 4: Public health. First point: reduces the risk of diseases caused by contaminated water. Side heading 5: Legal compliance. First point: helps industries and municipalities comply with environmental laws and pollution control standards. Heading: Advantages of sewage treatment plant. Side heading 1: Pollution reduction. First point: reduces water pollution by removing harmful contaminants. Side heading 2: Water recycling. First point: treated water can be reused for agriculture, industries, and landscaping. Side heading 3: Environmental protection. First point: protects ecosystems and improves environmental quality. Side heading 4: Public health improvement. First point: prevents the spread of waterborne diseases. Side heading 5: Resource recovery. First point: sludge produced during treatment can be used for biogas production or as manure after proper treatment. Heading: Disadvantages of sewage treatment plant. Side heading 1. High initial cost. First point: construction of a sewage treatment plant requires a large investment. Side heading 2. High maintenance cost. First point: regular operation and maintenance require skilled workers and continuous expenditure. Side heading 3. Energy consumption. First point: STPs consume significant amounts of electricity for pumps, aerators, and treatment equipment. Side heading 4. Sludge disposal. First point: the sludge generated during treatment requires proper treatment and safe disposal. Side heading 5. Space requirement. First point: large sewage treatment plants require considerable land area, especially for treating high volumes of wastewater.